Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are going to be making a coconut curry salmon with garlic butter. Chef's kiss, it was so delicious. This is a great recipe to make for those busy weeknights. Okay, for our salmon, we have salmon fillets, salt and pepper, paprika, and olive oil, and some garlic powder, and I believe some onion powder. Next, we're going to move on to the ingredients for our coconut curry sauce, which is butter, garlic mince, onion, finely chopped. We have some ginger paste, or you could use fresh ginger. We have curry powder, turmeric, cumin, red pepper flake, coconut milk, soy sauce, honey, juice of 1 lime, and you could garnish whatever you like to garnish with. I believe I use cilantro for mine. The first thing you want to do is season your salmon. So I cut mine into 4 small fillets. Here we're going to use the Everglaze seasoning. It has a little bit of salt, garlic powder, and I believe onion powder. It could be more ingredients, but I think it's very minimum. And you want to season both sides. We're going to heat our olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, you want to place your salmon fillets skin side up if you have skin on it. We're going to let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden crust forms. We're going to flip over and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. The goal is to get a nice sear on both sides of your fillet. Now in the same skillet if you choose to, but I chose to use a different skillet, we're going to add our butter. So butter is melted. We're going to add in our garlic and our onions. I'm going to saute that for about 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. We're going to stir in our ginger, allowing the flavors to melt together. Now here I'm adding in my ginger paste. We're just going to stir that around. Here I'm adding my turmeric, my curry powder, and I am adding cumin. You want to stir these spices around and you want to toast them till they become fragrant for about 40 seconds. Next, I'm going to add in my coconut milk. I want to stir that in with my onions and my garlic and my fragrant spices. Once that is stirred in, we are going to add our red pepper flakes, our soy sauce, and our honey. Once we stirred everything together, we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce has thickened to your liking. Now that your sauce is a little bit thick, we're going to add back in our salmon fillets. And here I'm just going to add the sauce to the top of my salmon. And we are just going to cover it. You want to spoon some of that creamy coconut sauce over each fillet. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the salmon to soak up those delicious flavors. Once your salmon is done to your liking and your sauce is as thick as you like it, we are going to go ahead and plate our salmon. I did make some white rice and we have some limes, salmon, and my rice, and it was so delicious. I mean, I did squeeze my lime over mine. You have to make this recipe. You cannot go wrong with salmon and rice. And it's so quick. It's not long. 30 minutes is all you need. So today we made some delicious coconut curry salmon. So I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.